Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about getting back Jamaican citizenship if you have given it up. Given it up, not lose it. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Please stay tuned to the end of this video and like, follow, and subscribe. So the next question asked was, if you have renounced your Jamaican citizenship, can it be reinstated? Yes. The cost to restore your citizenship is 80,000 Jamaican dollars or 1,000 US dollars. I'm going to say restoration could take 2 years. They might have you wait a little while and sweat it out before you get it back. Many persons who have received citizenship from the US believe they gave up their Jamaican citizenship. You cannot give up your Jamaican citizenship. If you believe this, then go back to my previous video where I talked about how to renounce your citizenship. As long as you are a Jamaican citizen, whether by birth, marriage, or adoption, you can't just lose your citizenship. Losing your passport does not take your citizenship away. Having become a U.S. citizen or a citizen of any other country does not take your citizenship away. Nor losing your Jamaican passport a long time ago. You're always a Jamaican citizen until you have completed that application form in triplicate and waited 2 years and pay a fee of 80,000 Jamaican dollars or 1,000 US dollars. So leave a comment letting me know what you think about this renouncing and reinstating of Jamaican citizenship. Do you believe that persons who gave up their citizenship should be able to reinstate it? I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.